So this past week, we were at the MEP conference, the Manufacturing Extension Partnership Conference. And this is where the manufacturing extension partners are meeting together, and there's one in each state. Right? This was a prime opportunity for us to get in front of all of them and be able to tell them about what we're doing and how we can partner together to get things accomplished. We recently signed with Florida Makes, which is the Florida version of this MEP. And that has given us access to over 18,000 manufacturers. So you can imagine what could happen if we could partner with other states. The reception that we received was unbelievable. Several MEPs were coming up to us saying that we need to talk this week about signing on and going through their onboarding process. Several of them specifically mentioned that they had one or two clients in mind, manufacturers, who would be interested in doing this right away because they are absolutely struggling with skilled labor needs. This is an amazing event that was put on, and we were able to really take advantage of it. We built some great relationships, and we're going to see a lot of fruit coming from this in the near future.